Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're diving into the Miele Triflex HX2 cordless stick vacuum cleaner, a powerful tool that promises to redefine your cleaning routine. This model has been engineered to tackle all kinds of messes with impressive power and flexibility, boasting Miele's most advanced technology to date. It's designed to be highly versatile with a 3-in-1 patented system, so whether you need a full-size vacuum, a reach tool, or a compact handheld option, this one has you covered. The Miele Triflex HX2 stands out with its digital efficiency motor, offering up to 60% more power than its predecessors. For those who are tired of weak suction from other cordless vacuums, this is a game changer. The motor promises deep cleaning performance, whether you're tackling dust on hard floors or digging deep into carpet fibers. With its innovative electrobrush, it detects floor types automatically, adjusting its suction to suit whatever surface you're working on. It even has a large cleaning path for faster results, so you're not going over the same spot repeatedly. Now let's talk about its runtime. The Miele Triflex HX2 promises up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning on the lowest power setting, which is a real bonus for larger homes or longer cleaning sessions. Of course, this runtime varies depending on the power mode you choose, and it's worth noting that the battery is replaceable, meaning you're not stuck with a vacuum that loses power over time. In addition, the wall mount and accessory holder keep things neat and organized when not in use. When it comes to maintenance, the Triflex HX2 includes a HEPA lifetime filter. This is a big deal for allergy sufferers or pet owners, as it captures 99.999% of dust, allergens, and even viruses. The filter is lifetime maintained, so there's no need to worry about replacement costs down the line. Whether you're cleaning up after your pets or dealing with seasonal allergies, this feature is designed to provide cleaner air as you vacuum. Speaking of cleaning performance, let's take a closer look at how it handles various surfaces. On hard floors, the electrobrush glides smoothly and efficiently, picking up everything from crumbs to pet dander without scattering debris. On carpets, the automatic floor detection adjusts the suction power, giving you just the right amount of pull for embedded dirt and fine dust, ensuring no area is left untouched. It's clear that Miele has put a lot of thought into making this vacuum not only powerful, but incredibly smart in adapting to your cleaning needs. During real-world testing, I found the Miele Triflex HX2 to be impressively maneuverable. Whether you're cleaning tight corners, underneath furniture, or up and down stairs, it's comfortable to use, and the lightweight design helps with those awkward spots. The flexibility of the 3-in-1 design is great for different cleaning situations. Need to reach up high? Switch to the comfort mode. For tight spaces, the compact mode gives you precision, and the reach mode ensures that you can clean those hard-to-reach areas like ceiling corners or underneath your couch. However, like any product, the Miele Triflex HX2 has its drawbacks. One of the more notable concerns is the noise level, particularly in higher power modes. While it's not unbearably loud, it can be a bit much during extended use, especially on high-pile carpets. Additionally, the vacuum's size can make it a bit cumbersome to store, especially if you have limited closet space. The upright configuration, while ideal for larger cleanups, might be less convenient for those who prefer a more compact storage solution. When it comes to value for money, the Miele Triflex HX2 falls into the premium range. For the price, you're getting not only exceptional suction power, but also superior filtration, long runtime, and advanced features like automatic floor detection and versatile attachments. If you're someone who needs a vacuum that handles a variety of surfaces with ease, and you're willing to invest in a high-quality product that delivers lasting performance, this vacuum is definitely worth considering. On the flip side, if you're on a tighter budget or only need something for smaller, lighter cleanups, there are other models that might offer more basic features at a lower price point. Comparing the Miele Triflex HX2 to other vacuums in the market, it holds its ground against some notable contenders. If you're looking at other cordless stick vacuums in the same price bracket, the Dyson V11 or the Shark Vertex are both strong competitors. The V11 offers a comparable runtime, but the Miele's 3-in-1 design and superior filtration set it apart. On the other hand, the Shark Vertex, while similarly powerful, lacks the same level of adaptability and doesn't offer the same robust HEPA filtration, making the Miele the better choice for those with allergies. Build quality is another area where Miele shines. It feels premium in the hand with high-quality plastic and well-constructed components. The vacuum's design makes maintenance simple, with easy-to-remove parts for cleaning and emptying the bin. The brush roll also holds up well over time, even with pet hair, and the filter is straightforward to clean. Miele is known for its durability, and this vacuum seems built to last. Finally, let's consider the customer support and warranty. Miele is renowned for its excellent customer service and solid warranty coverage, so you can rest assured that any issues will be handled professionally. Their response times are quick, and their representatives are knowledgeable, making the ownership experience much more enjoyable. To sum it up, the Miele Triflex HX2 is an incredibly versatile and powerful vacuum that excels in performance across a range of surfaces. It's perfect for anyone who needs strong suction power, long battery life, and smart cleaning features like automatic floor detection. However, the noise levels on higher power modes and its size for storage may be drawbacks for some. If you're willing to invest in a premium model that offers exceptional filtration and adaptability, the Miele Triflex HX2 could be the ideal choice for your home. If you're ready to experience this powerhouse for yourself, check out the link in the comments box below and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, don't let your floors get the best of you.